strong. That was too hard with the bit. Hey, what was that? Did you not try to go over the jump? Okay, try harder. Go ahead, trot, Faith, but not so strong when you do that halt. That's too strong. I put a pelham on there so you have a little bit of control. Don't overdo it. There. Now go left. Very good. Now halt, Faith. Good. Now trot, Faith. Trot. You need to have a little bit shorter rein and your hands out in front of you. Go left. Don't run over dip. And trot, Lizzie. Slow down. Slow down. Balance them up. Let your heels go forward, not back. Don't put your upper body so far forward. Trot. I want you to trot. You don't look like you're in control.